Can you honestly trust me? I mean, seriously, should you trust me? Well, yes, I'm going to say yes, and I'd think any reviewer worth his salt is going to say yes. Definitely, trust us. However, you should not put all of your trust in one person's review. This is where you need to do a bit of legwork. Folks, welcome back to the channel. My name is Specky. I do videos and reviews on car care and detailing products and a few other random bits and pieces. If you like this kind of content, please do give the video a like and subscribe. And also check out the podcast, the Specky and Paul Talk Detailing podcast that I run with my good friend Paul Dolden every fortnight, where we talk all about car care and detailing. It's totally free. Check it out. Anyway, so the purpose of today's video is to talk about the fact that you guys need to stop putting so much stock in one person's review. I understand you guys will have favorite YouTubers. You will have favorite review websites. You will have favorite places that you go to for your review content to help you understand how to spend your money wisely. And, you know, getting the right review, making sure that this product is going to work the way you want it to work. And that's fine, I've got no problem with that. But the trouble is, too many people are putting too much stock into one person, one review, one website, one favored thing. Because that might fit with your narrative situation, but you might not want to hear some of the bad things. It happens. Someone just goes to this one guy and goes, hey, it's great, I love it, buy it. But what about the people who don't get on so well with it? I wanted to demonstrate this in my last video, actually. I tested a £1.99 car wax. It was actually pretty good for me for the money. It was fantastic. Spoilers there, I'm sorry. You can check that video out down below. But what I also did was I teamed up with Darren from the Hairy Housewife Detailing Reviews YouTube channel, and he tested exactly the same wax at exactly the same time of year, and we put our videos out at the same time and referred to each other's videos, so you guys could get a better idea, a better understanding of how this wax performs. If I got on well with it, but Darren didn't, that would help you have a bit of a difference, a comparison to weigh up and figure out which one am I looking at more. I need to pay attention to Specky's video for this, but Darren's video for that. And, you know, we have different situations which are all contributing factors. We have temperature, humidity, water hardness. These are all parts of it. The products that we're using are the chemicals for testing them to check their resilience and so on. All of these things are different. All of that contributes to the performance or lack thereof that product. And that is an issue. You guys need to put in the legwork and check out other reviews. Think of it like this. Amazon has a star rating system, but there's also a number next to it. If a product has 5 stars, but only one person actually giving it 5 stars, or just one person giving it a review at all, you shouldn't trust that. You should not trust a 5-star one-person review. By the same token, you shouldn't trust a 1-star one-person review. You should be looking for reviews where there are lots and lots of people. If you get something which is 3.5 stars, but it's got 15,000 review feedback, then you are going to be a bit more trustworthy of that rating. Yes, there are going to be some bad actors in there, but for the sheer number of reviews, I think you're going to be a lot more safe in the knowledge that your money is going to be better spent there than buying the 5-star one review product. So it's the same situation with YouTube and so on. You need to make sure that when you watch my video or you watch someone else's video, you watch a few of them. Get a bigger picture. Build it up. So you watch my video, you watch Darren's videos, you watch Paul's videos, you watch anyone else's who makes this kind of content and reviews these things, and build up your knowledge. Look at what everyone is saying. Figure out what's good for people, what's bad for people, who of these people is in a different situation. For example, I'm up in the northeast of Scotland, but Darren is down in the southeast of England. So all of these things are contributing factors. All of these things are different. How I perceive a product, how I get its performance and so on, how I judge it may be different to you and your personal situation. Now, there is also the worry about bias, and this one's a very, very difficult one here. It happens so many times in comments where someone will come along and say, you're only giving it 5 stars, or you're only giving it a good review because you got the product for free. And this one really, really annoys me, actually. When you've been doing videos for a very long time, the fact that a product costs nothing, or you get it for nothing, is neither here nor there. It's actually not important. You see, the companies that send us products for free for review, they're not actually looking for a review at all. They're looking for exposure. That's all it is. It's advertising to them. And it's targeted advertising, because if I make videos for the car care and detailing crowd, they could go to a marketing company and put together an ad campaign that would try to target those kind of buyers. But the people who watch my videos are those car care and detailing product companies' target market. So if they send me something, I am showing that product to that target market. Yes, there is going to be that possibility that the product doesn't perform so well, that I don't say lots of gleaming, fantastic, wonderful things about it. People who are new to the scene, new to reviewing, can be easily influenced. I wanted to make sure from the very beginning that I was not influenced in any way, shape, or form by getting a product for nothing. Because if you think about it like this, the people who review mobile phones, the latest smartphone, before it hits the market, they didn't buy it, they didn't pay for it, they got it for free. But people don't jump in the comments and say, you're only saying nice things because you got that phone for free. It's the same with car reviews. How many times have you seen Auto Express magazine get letters into them saying, you're only saying nice things about the new Fiat Panda because you got it for nothing? It doesn't have an influence or an impact. That's not to say that there's zero influence there. There are going to be some people, some bad actors out there, who only say nice things because they get products for free. It does happen. But I would like to think that for the 10 years that I've been on YouTube, and admittedly I haven't made videos for that full time, but that's how old this channel is, I've built up enough of a reputation that when I say something is good or bad, people do trust that. Because people in the comments come to me and say, I tried it and I got on well with it just like you said. Or, I've tried it before you made a video about it and I experienced the same thing. I've built up that level of trust with my subscribers. I would like to think that most people can trust in what I say is good or bad. But like I said, it's up to you guys to do that extra bit of legwork. Do not trust the only YouTuber you like. Go to the other guys. Go to the big view ones. Go to the little view ones. Go to the ones in between. Try a few others. Get multiple perspectives before you decide on buying a product. That's all I'm saying. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not trying to push you for anything. I'm trying to get you guys to get the most trustworthy information that you can. That's all for now. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure that you don't miss my next video uploads. In the meantime, I've been Specky. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.